Dousa Suspended, no longer the commissioner of the Baltimore City Police Department.
That's right. Today, Mayor Catherine Pugh put him on paid suspension pending the outcome of this federal case.
WMAR 2 News investigative reporter Brian Kubler is here now with the details on this. Brian.
Jamie, Mayor Catherine Pugh made an about-face today, from her full confidence in D'Souza yesterday evening to an emotional suspension today, all in reaction to those looming federal charges against the commissioner for failure to pay his taxes. Assistant U.S. Attorneys Leo Wise and Derek Hines arrived at federal court this morning for the sentencing of former Gun Trace Task Force Sergeant Thomas Allers. But that was not their only case in the spotlight today.
Gentlemen, do you have any comment on the D'Souza case?
We don't.
These two prosecutors have also been assigned the case against Baltimore Police Commissioner D'Souza for failure to pay 3 years' worth of taxes. Inside federal court today, Wise had much more to say about Allers, saying his role in the, quote, upside-down world of the GTTF was a perversion of justice. He argued to Judge Catherine Blake that he should get 20 years for the 9 robberies as a Baltimore police sergeant and the distrust that he helped sow into the fabric of this city. Allers got 15 years today. But as Wise was speaking of trust in policing on Lombard Street,
I'm just going to read a statement, and
Mayor Catherine Pugh called a quick press conference on Holiday Street. The mayor announcing today that after further consideration, the man she appointed to lead the city police department not 4 months ago will now be asked to step aside.
Upon review of the circumstances surrounding Commissioner D'Souza's failure to file tax returns for successive years, I have placed him on paid suspension effective immediately.
The mayor appeared emotional as she read her statement, saying D'Souza was suspended pending the resolution of his personal tax matter. But yesterday, in a statement, D'Souza admitted he in fact did not pay his taxes for 2013 through 2015, which may prevent him from ever returning as commissioner. In the meantime, Deputy Commissioner Gary Tuggle, a former Baltimore City police officer and special agent of the DEA, will now head the BPD. Mayor Pugh suggesting today that perhaps City Hall's vetting process may not have been strong enough.
Let me just say, I think we've learned a few lessons. I thought we vetted him pretty well. We went through all of his police credentials. He'd been a member of our police department for over 30 years.
Meanwhile, we're also hearing from D'Souza's lawyers tonight. The commissioner's attorney saying D'Souza was not afforded the opportunity to offer an explanation to try and fix these taxes before the federal charges were filed. Normally, criminal charges are a last resort, D'Souza's attorney says. To see that entire statement, log on to our website at WMAR2news.com.
All right, Brian, hours before